down into Vegas on 15. This is it. It just kind of opens up all of a sudden. You can see the sign there, North Las Vegas 12 miles, Las Vegas 14, so we're not even there. And you can still see all of it. I'm going to be stopping in Vegas to get my truck washed, and we'll do a little bit of footage there, but I just want y'all to see how that just kind of opens up in front of you, and we'll get some footage going through Vegas as well. See you in a bit. Okay, we're getting close to the Blue Beacon. We're here in North Las Vegas. I'm gonna get off the road here and get this truck washed up. I got all kinds of salt and grime and crap on it. I'm not liking the way she looks, so we're gonna get off the road here and get her looking pretty again. See what it looks like when we get up in there. Oh, I don't see anybody in line. You can tell it's a busy one though. They got a long old driveway. My one problem with Blue Beacons is once you get in line, you're not getting out, and if it takes longer than you're planning on, then you're just stuck here. So we're going to get up in here and get this thing washed up, and we'll see you on the other side. Hang on, let me get up to the door. For those of you that haven't experienced the joy of Blue Beacon, let me get it up there. You can see some of the casinos over there on the left if you're looking real hard. I don't know which one's open and which one's not. That one's still being used, so we're going to pull up to this one. There's somebody in there too, so. Oh! Guess what I'm going to do? That tanker just pulled out, so we're going to pull up into that one. There is nobody behind me. Yes, I looked. Let me pull up to this door, and we'll get this taken care of. Hey, we'll see y'all on the other side. Hey everybody, I'm inside my truck while they're getting ready to rinse it off. And so far so good, man. It's looking a whole lot better. This thing gets so dirty out here in the winter time. I just can't stand it. But it's getting washed, and just so you can see, I'm gonna flip this around. Pretty soon they're gonna have me start it up so the truck can be shaking a little bit. When they do the final rinse, it'll knock a little bit of that soap and that off. So I'm gonna get off here, and then I'll pick it back up when we're pulling out. But that's what's going on so far. Lots of fun, huh? Excitement beyond compare. All right, she's done. I'm pulling out. About 20 minutes. Takes a little bit longer than normal when you come in this early in the morning because there's not as many people working. So once I'm out, I'm gonna get out here and take a look, make sure it's all right, but it usually is. I'll be back in a minute. And now here she is, all cleaned up. Man, she sure looks a whole lot better clean than dirty. So they call it blue beacon, streaking beacon, because you get streaks. And this little ledge up here, which you can't really see, but it holds soap. And then when you start going down the road, it runs down the side of the trailers. Believe it or not, even though it's a white trailer, it shows it. So one thing I've started doing, drivers, is asking them to rinse that top edge twice. That seems to cut down on the streaking. So once you start going down the road, it doesn't run down the side of the trailer. It really does help. Yep. She's looking pretty. And I don't know how long it'll stay this way. But I'm not supposed to hit any rain or anything, and I am headed into Southern California, so I doubt there'll be much chance of snow. Although I will be heading up into the San Jose area, maybe points north of that. So, she's looking good. I don't care what you say. That's a good looking truck right there. Alright, we'll catch you when we're taking off out of here. See you in a bit. Okay, we checked her out. You saw that video. Let's get back out on the road here and see if we can get you some sights of Vegas. Here we go. Wow, the strip looks a whole lot different on TV than it does here, doesn't it? Look, just that little bit of time traffic's picked up. It's time is it now? It's 10 till 5 now, and yep, it's picked up a little bit. So we're still gonna miss the bulk of the traffic.